breaking free from the overthinking loop, and how to calm an overreactive mind, trapped in a mental storm. It's 3 a.m. You're lying in bed, eyes wide open, heart racing. Your mind replays every conversation, every decision, every mistake, over and over again. The silence of the night is so serene, yet your thoughts are screaming. Did I say the wrong thing earlier? What if I make the wrong decision? Oh, I should have done more today. I'm falling behind. What if tomorrow is a disaster? Your brain is running a marathon you never sign up for. This isn't just thinking too much. It is a symptom of an overstimulated, overworked, and overwhelmed nervous system. It is mental exhaustion disguised as productivity. It is the illusion of control wrapped in a cycle of self doubt. But here's the truth: overthinking is not a personality trait, it is a brain state. And the good news, you can rewire it.